This is part 2 of the students or the kids surveyed nationwide that want to be a doctor. We are on the formal part of checking for name and number. We named it a one sample proportion interval, and we plugged in our numbers for p hat. Our z-score for 95% is 1.96. Again, we get that number by looking at our formula sheet and tables. 95% confidence interval is a 1.96 for a z-score. And then we plugged in our p hat, our 1 minus p hat, and our n. Now, this is not something you should do in your head. This is not something you should do by hand. I recommend using a calculator. My example uses Desmos as an online calculator. Notice I typed in 0.055 and the minus sign, then 0.055 and then the plus sign. I recommend doing the subtraction first. This is your small number. This is your large number. So my number on the left, or my small number, should be 0.04. And then my large number should be 0.069. So I'm going to go over here and we're going to verify my one sample proportion interval. My interval starts at 0.04 and goes all the way to 0.069. So now I need to write out my decision. And again, this is a sentence that we just repeat as it is a formal process. So now I need to say, what is my decision? So I'm going to start with there is, and I need to know how confident we are. There is 95% confidence. So I'm going to come down here. There is 95% confidence that, and now I need to know, what am I estimating? I have how much confidence in what? I have 95% confidence that the true proportion of nationwide kids who want to be a doctor. So I'm going to come down here, that the true proportion of kids who want to be a doctor is, and it's got to be within two values. And these are the two values we found. We know that it can be down to 4% or almost to 7%. So if we were to change those into percentages. So we want to know that we are 95% confident that of all of the kids surveyed nationwide that want to be a doctor is anywhere between the numbers 0.04 and 0.069. So this is 4% to approximately 7%. So if we were to survey all of the kids nationwide, 4 to 7% would want to be a doctor, and we have 95% confidence of that happening.